everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, you will learn 50 daily use English words with their simple meanings. These easy words will help you improve your English vocabulary and speak English with confidence. So let's get started. Lesson number 3, word number 1, happy. It means feeling joy or pleasure. For example, I am happy today. Word 2, sad. It means feeling unhappy. For example, she feels sad today. Word 3, big. It means something large in size. For example, this is a big house. Word number 4, small. It means little in size. For example, I have a small bag. Word number 5, hot. It means having a high temperature. For example, the tea is hot. Word number 6, cold. It means having a low temperature. For example, the water is cold. Word number 7, fast. It means moving quickly. For example, the car is fast. Word number 8, slow. It means moving without speed. For example, the turtle is slow. Word number 9, easy. It means not difficult. For example, this question is so easy. Word number 10, difficult. It means hard to do. For example, English is a little bit difficult. Is it? Tell me in the comment box. Word number 11, open. It means something not closed. For example, please open the door. Word 12, close. It means to shut down something. For example, please close the window. Word 13, buy. It means to get something by paying money. For example, I want to buy a book. Word 14, sell. It means to give something for money. For example, they sell vegetables. Word 15, walk. It means to move on your feet. For example, I walk every day. Word 16, run. It means to move very fast on your feet. For example, the boy can run fast. Word 17, eat. It means to have food. For example, we eat lunch together. Word 18, drink. It means to have a liquid. For example, drink more water. Word 19, read. It means to look at and understand words. For example, I read a book every day. You should read. Word 20, write. It means to put words on paper. For example, please write your name. Word 21, sleep. It means to rest with your closed eyes. For example, I sleep at 10 p.m. Word 22, wake up. It means to stop sleeping. For example, I wake up early in the morning. Word 23, friends. It means a person you like and trust. For example, Ali is my best friend. Word 24, family. It means people related to you. For example, I love my family. Word 25, teacher. It means a person who teaches. For example, my teacher is kind, like I am. Word 26, student. It means a person who learns. For example, she is a good student like you. Word 27, office. It means a place where people work. For example, my father works in an office. Word 28, market. It means a place where people buy and sell things. For example, we went to the market. Word 29, strong. It means having great power. For example, he is very strong. Word 30. Home. It means the place where you live. For example, I am at home. Guys, stay safe on your home. So guys, practice these words every day to improve your English vocabulary and speaking skills. If you have any question or any confusion, so let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.